I'm sneaking up on the chef. Bud, what are you doing there?
Well, we are mixing some spices to the peppers, the onions, the potatoes, and we are going to enter some sausage in it, and we are doing it with the Kingsford grilling bags.
The Kingsford grilling bag, dude. I've never heard of that before.
It keeps your grill very clean, and it cooks everything so tender, easy.
Didn't you say it kind of steams it?
That's exactly what it does. It steams
Oh,
it.
that's exactly what it does, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pull one of these babies out. So this is a Kingsford grilling bag, which I never knew about. So what do you do, bud? I mean, you don't have to do it now, but just tell us the process.
So the key of it is to get some good olive oil in there and some spices to give it flavor, and then the bag does the rest.
Oh, bud, that's textbook. Do you want to share with us any of the secrets of the specialty spices?
Basically, whatever your palate appreciates. If you like garlic powder, use it. I use a little Italian seasoning. Mrs. Dash never goes wrong.
Dude, you're not telling me Mrs. Dash.
Mrs. Dash never goes wrong.
But shut up. Wait a minute. What's in that thing right there, that blue cup?
We're drinking rum drinks again, and we've been drinking them a long time.
Did he say rum drinks again? Shut up.
We are feeling good, too.
We're feeling good?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. So, but you are getting your hands in there. So you put all the spices in. You've got in there multicolored bell peppers. You've got potatoes. You've got red onions. What else?
I find that yellow and red combination peppers work very, very good. And again, be generous with the olive oil and spice it up whatever way you like.
Whatever you like. And so then we're going to drop it into one or two of those Kingsford grilling bags.
Definitely two. And what we do with the sausage is we remove the casing. Okay, we're going to take these, remove the casing, and we'll put 3 in one bag, 3 in the other, and we are going to cut these up into bite-sized slices, and you're going to grill it for about 50 minutes on 400, and it's perfect.
No kidding, dude. And so they're going to come out, we're going to unroll that bag, and they're going to come out steaming, ready to be eaten with a little bit of Captain Morgan.
Definitely.
Woohoo! Say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now.
Okay, Chef, we're at part 2. You filled the bags with all of the stuff. Now what are you doing?
Yes, the bags are all filled.
Let me see inside there.
With
oh,
potatoes,
buddy boy.
peppers, onions, spices.
Sausage.
Yep, so they're equally weighted, and I do it in 2 bags so it'll cook better. The grill is preheating. All you do with these bags is fold it once, and then fold it twice, and that's it. And these bags will actually puff up 45 minutes, 50 minutes later, cook to perfection.
And so you were telling me about the veggies, they like release the flavors and
the spices, the juices from the vegetables,
oh,
they steam
bud.
out, and the flavor. You may want to do a part 3 because
we're gonna have to try part 3. And over here you've got the second one. Okay, come on, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading on out to Old Grilly.
You've got the bags
Equally weighed and distributed. We've turned the grill on to medium heat, right? Not high.
Yep. So it's still not up to temperature, but it will be.
It's close enough.
So basically, you just put it so that the fold is out here. Put them on the grill, and those will puff up. And we're going to cook that now for closed on 45 minutes, but you have to watch the heat so that it doesn't get to 500, 600. You want that right around 375, 400 for 45 minutes, 50 minutes.
Did you hear what Chef said? 45 to 50 minutes, 375 to 400. Don't go too hot, buddy, because you're going to cook off the juices.
Yes, baby.
Okay, guys. It's ready. What do you got there, Chef?
Okay, so one of the things I wanted to say, if you have a hot grill, it may only take 35 minutes, maybe 45, 50, maybe.
Okay, and what's that mitt there?
Okay, so the mitt is, obviously these coming off the grill are very, very hot. So the mitt allows you to open the bag, carry the bag. This is from a company called Good Cook.
Nice.
It could withstand 600-700 degree temperatures.
Okay, cool.
Burned,
so that holds the bag. That lets you hold the bag. So now you got to open that baby up.
Very simple. Be careful of a steam burn, okay?
Right.
So as you open the bag, you can see the steam coming out.
Okay, scooch that over.
And I like to have a couple of these foil tins to drop it in.
Okay.
And you're going to see that you just be careful.
Watch out for that steam, dude. That'll burn you.
The bag is
Oh, look at that
hot,
liquid pouring out.
and that's all cooked, fresh, spiced peppers.
Oh my gosh, dude, that looks amazing.
And it tastes even better. Look at that. Look at the sausage. Look at the onions, the peppers, everything cooked to perfection. 35 minutes.
So it was less than we thought because the temperature was a little hotter.
I have a hot grill.
Okay.
Let me try it. Oh my word.
Dude, I can smell it. The whole house smells like spices and fresh and sweet.
The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The sweetness of the peppers, the onions. The onions is the key. Onions give flavor to any dish. It's a home run. You're going to love it.
Grand slam. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.